Real change doesn't begin in conference rooms. It begins in forgotten schools, distant health centers, and everyday struggles. It begins when a young person chooses to serve instead of settling, to lead with empathy, to act with purpose. The Gandhi Fellowship Program was created to address this need. It is India's premier leadership development initiative aimed at fostering young changemakers committed to societal impact.
It's a 2-year full-time program that helps young people, no matter what background they come from, engineering, medicine, economics, arts, or management, and helps them learn grassroots issues at a village level.
We are bringing youth leaders, and these leaders are going to be relevant for the next 25 years in this country. Okay, so they can take this country, they'll be the backbone of this country, and they can take this country and make it a global powerhouse economically and socially.
The fellowship immerses participants in rural and tribal communities, where they work directly with local leaders and public systems to understand and address grassroots realities.
कोई शिक्षा के साथ काम करता है, कोई ट्राइबल हेल्थ केयर के साथ काम करता है, कोई डीबीसी के तहत डिजिटाइजेशन पे काम करता है, एस्पिरेशनल भारत के तहत डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इंडिया में काम करता है. So when you exist with these issues, you try and galvanize the communities, you get the stakeholders, the local level, block level, district level, people to converge around the problems of the community.
The structured program is divided into 4 semesters, each focusing on developing specific capabilities, self-leadership, leading people, on-ground impact, and organizational outcomes. Fellows undergo rigorous training through community immersions, public system projects, boot camps, and reflective practices.
The course curriculum of the Gandhi Fellowship also kind of gives them that insight into them. So whether it's the Vipassana that you do, or whether it is the influence without authority or the non-violent communication that you do, it also prepares the ground as to how they can use it effectively. So it's not just theory, you actually end up using the practical on the ground.
Fellows develop critical competencies like self-awareness, team management, strategic thinking, and project management, preparing them to lead and innovate in various sectors.
I learned various tools which are taught in Gandhi Fellowship like NVC, non-violent communication, influencing the stakeholders, managing stakeholders, building active listening with the stakeholders. Those things which I learned have, I guess, made me more confident, made me more uplifting, made me more proud human.
The learnings which I will include will be active listening and developing a kind of empathy towards other people. I was empathetic earlier times, but when I later on proceeded with working with grassroots level people, वहाँ पे मेरी empathy थोड़ा ज़्यादा develop हुई और वहाँ पे like मैं connected feel किया.
With more than 1,000 Gandhi Fellows currently working in the field across 27 states, the Gandhi Fellowship continues to drive systemic change across India. Our alumni have gone on to excel in academia, corporate roles, social entrepreneurship, and more, contributing meaningfully to the vision of nation building.
We have about 500-600 fellows joining every year. We want to continue to expand that till we reach 1,000 fellows a year. The larger vision that we set for the Gandhi Fellowship is one day we imagine that in 10 to 15 years, there will be a Gandhi Fellow in South Africa, in Namibia, in Indonesia.